What's up? What's up? What's up? Uh Today, uh talk about nsys. Crazy stock. Crazy. Um that's the one I was looking at today. I was also looking at SINT this morning. I took some shares to short it, but it gave its move away pre-market, so I just never even shorted it. So I was like, whatever. And then I seen this one popping up and got the barrels on it, and yeah, I'll break it down on the charts what I seen, and we'll go from there. So NSYS, uh, why the stock looked interesting to me was if you look at the 1 year chart, it's not really known. I mean, back kind of known for a multi-day runner, but the stock can close strong. Like over here, it went from like 458 and closed at 544. So I mean, it can close strong. So that's why I was like, there's days where it closes strong, and then there's days where it gets crushed. So it's kind of on the fence about this one, but I knew it was not going to be a multi-day runner, so this one definitely fits my wheelhouse. Is it my favorite setup? No, not by any means. My favorite, well, this is the one I was looking at before, SINT. If you look at this stock, gap up, close week, gap up, close week, gap up, close week. You get the gist of it. So this nice day, I seen this right up here, and I'm like, all right, this looks interesting. And then as soon as it cracked under this 210, it was over with. But if you wanted to short it, you'd have to get up here to the 230. I had short it here, but I never pulled the trigger, so it is what it is. I'm just hoping it'll spike back up. I think it will. So once this stock starts spiking, it should continue. But let's get on to the stock that I traded today. So like I say, is this my favorite pattern? No. Why is that? Because one, we have a gap up. Actually, no, I take that back. There's a little gap down. But the previous day close is below this. So that's not good. And it's showing a lot of strength pre-market. And then right at the bell, looks like it showed a lot. I seen it up here. And I was like, nope, not even going to touch it yet. And then I seen this big drop. Wow, that's a pullback. That is a pullback. So I was thinking, okay, I'll get off these charts. Let me show you. You can see. God dang it. Let me pull up Trade Zero here, so you can see what I did today, what I was thinking. So I took a stab at this right here, and I pretty much covered right here, small winner. But when I shorted right here, in the back of my mind, I'm like, it already tried to retest and it failed, but you got a lot of support down here. So when I shorted here, I'm like, I'm just going to get out of the way because that's a lot of risk, and there's no really direction on what this stock's pointed. It did have a big pullback, so I was like, that's what led me to short the stock. But I'm thinking this stock can push back up. So I was like, I want to wait to see until it gives me a clear direction on where the stock is going to close. So I waited and waited and waited. And then right here, when this pulled back from like 555 to 450s, that was my sign. Okay, Now here's my direction. The stocks should close weak. And I took a stab at it right here, 455. And then I held till right here. And then I covered my position. Looks like at 429 I covered my position. I see it went down a little bit lower, but not much. So all in all, was this a phenomenal trade? No, but I had to wait for the stock to show me a clear direction if we were gonna retest back up. Because at first I had shares to short this way up here, but this consolidating right here, I knew there was a big move gonna happen. So I was just sitting there patiently waiting to see which side this is gonna go. Is it gonna push higher, or is it gonna push lower? And once I seen this crack, I knew the stock was done. I knew it was gonna close weak, so that's what led me to short right here. But yeah, I was hoping it was gonna push up here, but it never did. So this right here led me to short this little thing, and then when I was in it, I was like, nah, there's too much support down here. I don't want to be shorting that support, so I got out of the way. And then right here, when this pullback happened, I knew exactly where the stock was heading. It was going to close weak at the end of the day. So when I shorted this, that's why I held that position a lot longer. I thought we'd get a little bit more of a move, but we didn't, so I just took my profit right there. So all in all, nothing crazy today. But I'm looking for tomorrow. I'm thinking this stock is going to get crushed. So I'm probably going to be looking at this stock tomorrow. I'm hoping that it has a gap down. And then, yeah, if it has a gap down, I'll definitely be really, really interested in this stock. But it's got to have volume. If it doesn't have volume, I don't even want to touch it. So, all in all, not a bad day. Nothing crazy. So, made $108. And, like I say, took 2 trades today, and that was it. Small size, 300 shares each. Nothing crazy, but green is green. I'll take it every single day. So, till next time, traders. If you find value in this content, smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Until then, peace out.